Hi, Cynthia Robertson here. Decision making. Is it difficult for you, or are you quick to do it? It depends on my spiritual condition, honestly. It's taken me a long time, because in the beginning when I would make decisions, I would try to be perfect about it so that I would get what I want. And I was told that that's manipulation. Surprise, surprise. So, and then there was a time where I didn't want to make any decisions because I didn't want to be responsible for anything, and I didn't know what way to go. So, I could blame you if it went bad. And that's not very healthy either. And now I know, it's all practice, is that I don't have to make a decision alone, especially the big ones. I can talk it out. I can talk it out with my higher power, God, universe, whatever. I constantly have a conversation with that, and I say God, and not in the patriarchal father figure thing, because that makes me really uncomfortable. But just as a form of reference for anybody, anything that you can trust it. Outside of myself. So anyways, so just I don't have to. I can wait for an answer. I can talk to friends and family. I don't talk too much to my family about my decisions, but I didn't get the greatest guidance when I was a kid, so I learned to not go there. That whole you don't go to the hardware store for bread. If you're, check who you're going to for these kinds of help in decision making. It's usually a spiritual advisor for me of some sort. So, and that's it. So, back to not knowing, back to looking and keeping open. I try to keep open, The fact that I don't know where I'm going or what's going to happen is actually a good sign for me. It's when I think I have a plan and I'm going forward is when I'm in trouble. So at least when I don't know anything, I'm open to possibilities. I'm open to suggestions. I'm opening to the universe talking to me. So that's it for today. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.